all checked into our Airbnb and getting ready to go explore Istanbul for the first time. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little hotel tour. So we booked this on Airbnb, but it technically is a boutique hotel. We paid 78 euros a person for this for 4 days, 3 nights. The area that we're in seems less touristy, but it's still super well connected. We looked it up and there's so many cute coffee shops and restaurants nearby. And overall, we feel really safe here. It's also super spacious, as you can see, which is very nice. I'm going to link this in the description box down below because it's too good not to share. This is exactly the kind of place I envisioned staying in Istanbul.
I'm so excited. I was just telling Maddie that like I've never been to a place that looks or feels this way, so it's like I don't even really have the words to describe it yet, but I'm very excited.
Yay, we're gonna go out on the town. Wait, do you want to show your outfit? All right, give us a pose, give us a pose. Ooh, get it. We could not be giving more opposite. Okay, slay. Just very comfy and loose, and I'm gonna wear a blazer on top to cover my shoulders because it's actually a little chilly. Yeah, that's it. Oh, also my earrings are super cool. My friend got these for me in Peru, so I'm really excited to wear them. How would you rate it?
10 out of 10. Especially because I feel like I like needed a drink, you know?
Same.
This all looks so good and so fresh. Perfect. Oh, the wind, paid actor.
These hills are no joke. I feel like the video doesn't really do it justice, but it's quite steep, so make sure that you wear comfortable walking shoes if you come here. Day 2 in Istanbul. We are starting the morning with this amazing brunch spread from Mornings in Pera, and I have a feeling this is going to be amazing, and then we're going to go on a tour, so let's go.
Sultanhamet, Roma.
Well, yes, asking the valid questions. This is absolutely unreal. Like, the photos do not even do it justice. This is the Hagia Sophia, which is the oldest monument in all of Istanbul.
Let's find some. By the Ottoman Empire. It was built in 1475.
My entire vlog is just about to be like the back of Maddie's head.
Before this part, let me talk about. famous with some kind of food. And
Are you from Paradise?
Bir gün yarana ulvi hislerimi.
Thank you so much.
Kebab reveal. Is it a kebab? What is it?
Yeah, it's like the doner kebab.
Okay.
We're gonna do falafel rating.
Okay.
Okay, first of all, look at this beauty. The Greek salad, this is so beautiful. And falafel tasting, we're gonna try some of this garlic aioli sauce. Oh my god. 10 out of 10. I love the fact that Turkey is so vegetarian friendly. Like Turkey and Greece, in my opinion, as a vegetarian, have the best food. Like everything has been 10 out of 10. There's so many vegetarian options that are like actually healthy or filling if you want. So yeah, love it.
Definitely highly recommend this one. I have been to almost 30 countries, and this is by far one of the most unreal places I have ever been. Trying street food in Turkey for the first time. They're famous for these kind of like bagel-esque things, bread, and it just has butter. Very good. Very sesame. It really just kind of tastes like a bagel, honestly. We are preparing to go in the Sultanhamet Mosque, which is also known as the Blue Mosque, and we have our scarves ready. There is quite a long line though, but it's free entrance and it seems to be moving pretty quickly. Okay, we're going in. This is one of the most breathtaking places I have ever been to. I've never been anywhere like this in my life. We're currently taking the ferry over to Asia. We're literally like lost in a random town in the port trying to figure out which bus to get on. The reason we journeyed over to the Asian side of Istanbul was to get these high-tech facials because if you're in Istanbul, it's kind of a must. So this place, Lila Skins, did such a cool job. We got our skin analysis first where they scanned our face up close to figure out what our primary concerns were and the direction to take with the facial. I ended up getting a hydrofacial and it's one of the best I have ever gotten. We've decided to do a hammam experience. I literally feel like a medieval princess being prepared for her wedding day or something. I have never been taken care of and pampered like this. Oh my god, if you're in Istanbul, definitely come here. Istanbul is one of the most vibrant, beautiful, culturally rich cities I've ever been to, and I wish that we had more time, but I'm so excited to discover the rest of Turkey. We're off to Cappadocia and then to Bodrum on the Turkish Riviera, so come back for more vlogs. Thanks for watching, and if you want to keep up with more of my travels, hit the follow on Instagram and TikTok. My username is Maddie M. Clark, and I post a lot more frequently on there.